Hello and welcome to Professional Swift. I'm Brent Arnold and I will be your instructor for this course. With this course you'll be equipped to write safer, clearer, and more succinct code using Swift 4. Swift is a multi-paradigm language. It has expressive features familiar to those used to working with modern functional languages, while also keeping the object-oriented features of Objective-C. Swift vastly streamlines the developer experience. Things that took a block of code in Objective-C are reduced to 1 or 2 lines in Swift. Apple's Xcode Playground allows developers to view the results of changes they make to their Swift code in real time, instead of having to compile and run the application to check every change. Coming to a new language like Swift, programmers often continue to employ the techniques they are used to from other languages. Swift is a versatile language and allows several ways of doing things, but it is also an opinionated language and there are some ways that are preferable. This course seeks not only to teach these ways, but also show why they are better. You will start by learning the concepts of value types, JSON encoding and decoding, and the software architecture of Swift and its related frameworks. You will then learn about protocols, generics, and how to transition to protocol-oriented programming. You will also learn about and evaluate the iOS architectural patterns in detail. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently create applications using Swift features. This course uses real-world app examples to connect the theory to a professional setting. This ensures that you can relate what you learn in this course to how it can be implemented in your own app development adventure.